Adams Point has 3 transects that you will walk. For the first one, you can park at this dirt pull-off. There is a small trail that you follow through the woods down to the water. You will see the horseshoe crab sign, and down to the left, the pink flag marks one end of the transect. Wade along the shore until you find the other flag down to the right. The next 2 transects are just down the road at the boat launch. Walk to the corner of the parking lot and you will see this sign, and just beyond it is the start of Transect 2. This transect ends at the boat launch, and the final transect begins immediately on the other side. The flag marking the end is just about 30 feet ahead.